Hello and good morning. This is Arnel again, and this time we're unboxing the Eureka Microwave Oven. This is the cheapest microwave oven that you can find in the market, I think, nowadays, and even with Shopee. So I ordered this in Shopee for a price. And yeah, the price is 2,618. That's including the shipping costs since I got some vouchers with me. So that's worth the price. Usually ganyan din ang price niyan sa supermarket 2526. So nakatipid pa ako sa time because dineliver pa sa akin mismo sa bahay. Okay, so ayan siya sa loob. Just like a common microwave. Yung talaga naka-seal pa yung yung plate niya, yung plastic. And you can also see here the knobs. So yung knob niya hindi siya computerized, so less complicated kasi mas mahirap pag computerized pag nasira o nabasa. So ito rubber lang yan, rubber system lang yung knob niya, which is manual, which I prefer. So you have low, medium, medium high, then the high.